Hey folks, I'm HPC's Dr. Pink, and today's topic is the chorus effect. What's the chorus effect? This one here. This wide sound, this softening sound, pulls us direct back to the 80s, I guess, because I don't think it's used very often anymore, the chorus effect. Well, I never really used it so much because I don't know, I mean, some guitar players used to have soloing with chorus effect on the sound. But for me, that sounds too cheesy and too blurry. It really gives it extremely blurry sound. But there's a few things which are pretty cool with the chorus effect, and this especially these chords. If you have any kind of open string chords, this sounds pretty nice. So as a little example here, which sounds pretty well with the open string chords. So let's check this one out. Yeah, this is a little example which works pretty fine. Like any chords with open strings work fine with chorus effect. This is just one example, just to show you the possibilities which will really work out fine. In this case, first we have a E minor 9 chord, grab like this, and I use this. This is my most weak technique. Not really good in it. I don't know why. Just made lettering chords with a pick, and this really gives you the extreme chorus sound. And I really would suggest alternate picking. So one, see? So this would just work this way, or you can make finger picking. But in this case, you don't have this crispiness which is needed for the chorus effect. It really works basically with the picking technique. So we have a E minor 9, E minor 11, then we switch to C at 9, C at 9 sharp 11, here with the index finger here, then to A minor 9, here, see all open string, 5th fret, and double up the 7th here with the 3rd fret. 2, what's this called? This is like a D sus 4, but still not a sus because we still have the F sharp here. I don't know what this chord is. First like this, and then we just play it through in 8 notes. Yeah, this was just an example to show how it works. You can use it with any open string chords. What else you need to know about the chorus effect to really make it sounding nice? I mean, if you have it on a normal guitar amp, basically the guitar amp is a mono signal. So if you don't have two cabinets on your guitar amp, you don't have any stereo effect, but the chorus effect is stereo. It makes frequencies going from left to right, like you know. And so it's, I mean, to really have a cool stereo effect or a chorus effect, you need a stereo amp, like at least with two cabinets, like the Roland Jazz chorus was, I think, was the amp which had the chorus inside. It was my first amp, by the way. The Jazz chorus. I had the Jazz chorus 120, really awesome amp. Loved it so much. And yeah, that's basically what the chorus effect is. But there's always another thought. I don't really use the chorus effect so often because I have my own technique to create a chorus effect exactly the spot where I want to have it. So let's check this out. Okay, I switched off the chorus now, as you can hear. It's normal guitar signal now without chorus effect. But what I do when I have like any kind of lettering situation which matches up, which I showed before, I make kind of a natural chorus effect. I call this a natural chorus. It's pretty easy. I just put my arm here against the guitar. And press against it, also press against here to slightly bow the guitar. And don't do it with the tremolo effect. If some of you might have a whammy bar, also works, but it's not the same as the whammy bar effect. I'm going to explain why. Because when you play the chords, see, that was a chorus effect now. What did I do? I pressed against the guitar and then pulled it away. And this gives this... Here, same effect. It's not like the tremolo effect. Just pull it away, press against the guitar. Or... Here, this was the chorus effect. It's really cool if you like play normal stuff and then the chorus. See? Just put it in. I just used the same chords as before, so or any other chord you can do it like whatever chord you want to do it. Like let's take just normal A minor. And see, now this good that this happened now. I overdone it now. So if you press too hard, you're gonna bend the pitch too hard, and then it's in this case gonna be too high. It just should be possible 8-note pitch jump, you know. Now I press too hard. See? Now it's out of tune, just slightly. This gives this effect. Yeah, and I mean, if you're able to do that one, I would really recommend to don't use the chorus. Because I don't. Really very rarely in a situation as I just showed now. But if I really want to, I really love it on chords like this, any kind of lettering situation. But if I get into a lettering situation, I do the natural chorus and not the pedal chorus. I mean, you can also do what you also can do. Just have a chorus and program your expression pedal and put the mix level, like you press it, then it comes in and then you take it out again. So this way you can also mix it up. Yeah, so that was basically what me and Dr. Pink wanted to say about the chorus effect. It's a really cool effect, has to be stereo, and also, as you can hear, I have a stereo delay, ping pong delay, a lot of reverb, and this gives us the really wide, blurry sound, which really makes the chorus effect nice. Yeah, Dr. Pink, you want to say something? Not really. We're in dreamy phase. Yeah, chorus, chorus, chorus.